Hello viewers, welcome back to another section of my YouTube channel tutorial. In this video I have an electrical circuit tutorial. There is a problem here we need to solve, but it's in a statement form. We need to have a diagram first before we can solve this. Let's delve into what you have for this video. Please kindly subscribe to support. Don't forget to watch this video to the end so you understand every part of the video. Two batteries A and B are connected in parallel, and an 80 ohm resistor is connected across the battery terminals. The EMF and the internal resistance of the battery A and B are 100 volts and 5 ohm respectively, and the corresponding values for battery B are 95 volts and 3 ohm respectively. Find the value of the current in battery A and find the current in the 80 ohm resistor. As simple like that. So now let's draw what we have. So we have two batteries A and B connected in parallel and an 80 ohm resistor across them, but they all have internal resistance. So let's see. My first battery A, and its internal resistance is in parallel with my battery B and its internal resistance. And across this we have an 80 ohm resistor across. So this is my 80 ohm resistor. My internal resistance for A is what? Battery A I have 100 volts and 5 ohm. So 100 volts, then 5 ohm. Then battery B is 95 volts, 3 ohm. So 95 volts, 3 ohm. And this is all that I have. And I want to find the current in battery A as well as for the current here. Now let's see. This battery here will produce a current I. This battery here will produce a current, let's say I1 will produce I2. Together they will form what? I. And the I will pass through the 80. So to find my current I1, I2 and the others is simple. I take a loop. My first loop, I'll take this like this for the outer part. And I'm going to get what? From here I have, in my loop I have my total voltage to be 100. So 100 will be equal to, the voltage drop across here itself will be 5I1. That is the current I1 here. Then the voltage drop across the 80. So plus what? 80I. And I know I here is equal to I1 plus I2. So 100 is equal to 5I1 plus 80 I1 plus I2. So 100 will be equal to 5I1 plus 80I1 plus 80I2. Hence, my equation becomes 100 is equal to, my I1 becomes 85I1 plus 80I2. Equation 1. This is 85. Now, for my second equation, I can take this loop here like this. You can see the pattern. So once I have that loop, I have 95. Sorry, I have 95 being the total because the total for the battery B is 95 volts. So 95 should be equal to my voltage drop across here, which is 3I2 plus I1 will come here, so 80I. I split my I have 95 is equal to 3I2 plus 80 open bracket I1 plus I2. Then I have my 95 to be equal to, this is 80I2. So 83I2 plus 80I1, right? 80I1 plus 80I2. So 83I2. This becomes equation 2. Solving this simultaneously should give me I1 and I2. So I have my 80, 83. So 80, 83, then 95. Then I also have 85, 80, then 100. So I have my I1 to be equal to 1.069, which is 1.07 amperes. Then I'll have my I2. Then I'll have my I2 to be equal to, my I2 is equal to 0.115 amperes. Or since I make here 1.07, I'll make here 0.12 amperes. Now the question asks for the A current in battery A, and that current is I1. So our A part is answered. A, that is I1 is equal to 1.07 ampere, is answered. Then the B part is saying that we should find the current in the 80, which is the total combined. So I'm going to add 1.07 plus 0.12. So what am I getting? I'm going to get 1.19, right, amperes. And that gives me the current in the 80 ohm. Thank you for watching me in this video. Please subscribe, you like, and you share.